BNSF's recurring investment in the maintenance of its infrastructure and assets continually improves safety and efficiency. That's why today, the BNSF network is in its best shape ever. Thanks to technology advancements, BNSF's extensive preventative maintenance plan has become more precise each year. More than 4,000 trackside detectors monitor every locomotive and car 24/7 on the BNSF network. Some of these detectors can sense heat by the force of the equipment on the track. Others use sound analysis to identify defects in wheel bearings or cracks in wheels before they are visible. Camera-based detectors can recognize when parts are missing or something is not in the right position, thanks to machine learning. These detectors create a continuous stream of data, with more than 35 million readings every day. BNSF uses this data to more consistently identify equipment in need of maintenance. Keeping rail cars and locomotives in working order is key to ensuring safe operations and preventing unscheduled outages due to equipment failure. The condition of the track infrastructure is assessed by both humans and machines as they travel all parts of the BNSF system. Geometry cars check the stability of the track structure by simulating the force and weight of equipment moving over the track. Track geometry is measured using optical technology such as lasers while moving at high speeds. And other detectors sense defects in steel rail using ultrasonic technology. BNSF inspectors use UAVs or drones to see hard-to-reach areas of its structures. BNSF has been utilizing its emerging long-range aircraft to carry these cameras over hundreds of miles of track and is testing other possibilities, such as mounting the cameras directly to rolling stock. Issues identified by all of these technologies are evaluated and prioritized. With the ability of technology to continually inspect BNSF's infrastructure, BNSF is more efficient by focusing our responders on resolving issues rather than searching for them. And the big data collected is used in advanced analytics to help shape the capital maintenance plan that is put into action. BNSF's working smarter and leveraging new technology to keep the railroad safe, healthy, and strong, so it's ready to take on new opportunities and meet customer expectations.